Hello, welcome to the new home of Cooking with Cleo. We have so much kitchen space here. Did we buy a house? No, we're pavos, we're renting, but it's pretty exciting, and I'm excited to hopefully get back into the swing of Cooking with Cleo's. I really want to do more. Today, we are going to do something called 4-ingredient citrus bars. Which I found from the book Eat More Plants by Rossi, I believe, Dr. Megan Rossi. She's a doctor who wrote Love Your Gut, which is what I'm going to read next. I'm kind of on this like plant-based food kick, and this has been probably since about last February. I've been wanting to just move toward plant-based foods. We've been eating a little bit more vegetarian / flexitarian meals, and it's been fun. I really like it. I think it works really well for me personally. But all that aside, we will start these delicious, hopefully, I've actually never tried these, delicious citrus bars. I think Nathan will really like them, so that's why I'm very excited to try them. So first steps first, we need to bring this camera over here. There we go. And we have a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, I don't know. I'll see if this works well without a food processor. If you have a baby bullet, it probably wouldn't work in a blender. There's not a lot of liquid that's going into this recipe. So I don't know if this recipe would work if you don't have a food processor, but we're gonna line an 8-inch baking pan. This is 9 inches, but who cares? And then we're going to pulse some cashews in our food processor. I'm doing 1.5 cups of cashews. And this might wake up Cleo from her nap. So I think you want them pretty fine and grainy, I think. And then we're gonna add 2.5 cups. The recipe says unsweetened coconut. I don't have unsweetened coconut, so we're using sweetened, which might taste better, I don't know. Might not be as healthy for you. And 21 apricots exactly. I cannot believe that didn't wake Cleo up. I was gonna have her count the apricots. Wouldn't that be so cute? But I'm kind of tired of waiting for her to wake up, so here we go. Apricots in. Okay, and then it says so you add all that stuff until ground, and then we add the juice and blend again until mixture forms a ball. Taste and add zest to preference. So you're usually using orange juice. That's what the recipe calls for. I'm using lemon juice because that's what my husband likes better. I'm gonna pour it in the top and let it drain as we pulse. Wow, it's very pulpy apparently. So who cares? Let's just put. It's kind of forming a ball. I think we're basically there. Let's taste it. Actually, that was pretty freaking good. Not gonna lie, that's really good. Yeah, I like that. That's really, really good. Okay, sorry, I'll shut up now. Now, we put it into our baking sheet. So, these are gonna be a lot thinner than the other recipe just because we have a little more space here. We can go back through and press it with something that's flatter than our hands, so you're not getting like fingerprint indents in it. And this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna pop it in the fridge for 4 hours, or if you want it faster, pop it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Here is what the final product looks like. I took a couple different angles. They aren't the best photos in the world, but hey, they were delicious, and let's see how Cleo likes them. All right, you wanna try the 4-ingredient lemon bar.
You want to dink it?
How do you like it?
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm. You like it? Any other comments? Cleo, what are your comments?